So good morning to all of you. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to start a new problem of cost sheet in which some important items are included. In the first problem, which items are not included in the cost accounting, that is only included in financial accounting, that are to be ignored in the cost sheet. And on the same line, here are some items which are not included in the cost sheet. Also, some new adjustments or points are there. WIP opening stock and WIP that is the closing stock is given. Again, opening stock of finished goods and closing stock of finished goods is also given. And scrap, sale of scrap is also given. So these are some of the important new points which are to be included in this problem. And another one thing is that the units which are produced by the company Ashwini Manufacturing Company, that units are also given in the problem. So during the year 1,50,000 units were produced, and out of which 7,000 units remained unsold. So per unit cost we can also calculate in this problem, and that's why we are required to prepare or make some additional columns in the cost sheet. So first of all, give the heading in the books of Messrs. Ashwin Manufacturing Company Limited. Ashwin Manufacturing Company Limited. Next line, cost sheet or cost statement. Cost sheet or cost statement for the year ended 31st March 2018. 31st March 2018. Again give the name. Next line, production units dash and write the figure 1,50,000. 1,50,000. So whatever may be the amount comes, it can be divided by 1,50,000. So ultimately we can get the per unit cost. So each and every amount or the point, it can be divided by 1,50,000. हाँ बोल. हाँ काय होतंय?
कोण किती झालं सांगा.
हाँ
शिकवून किती झाला?
काय म्हणते मला कळे ना. काय शिकवून कायच नाही झालं. तू उशिरा आलीस, आता सुरू केले.
काय काय किती ना प्रॉब्लेम स्टार्ट नाही केला ना.
फक्त हेडिंग सांगतोय, हेडिंग. अजून काय सुरू केलं नाही.
चालेल सांगा.
जरा लवकर येत जा ना थोडं. 9:15 ला आपण सुरू. हा जरा काम बाजूला ठेवायचं.
आजच काम होता, नाही तर मी दररोज येतोय.
बर येत जा. इथून पुढे पण येत जा. तो युनिट्स units, 1,50,000 units. Now make the columns. Now here 2 additional columns are required. So total 5 columns you have to prepare. Total 5 columns you have to prepare. So first column is particulars. First column is particulars. Then amount column, again sub column, inner amount and outer amount. Amount column, again sub column, inner amount and outer amount. And last column, per unit cost. Per unit cost. Again 2 columns there, inner amount, outer amount. Inner amount and outer amount. So these are 5 columns. Again I repeat, first column is particulars. In the amount column, 2 columns are there, inner amount and outer amount. And in the per unit cost, again inner amount and outer amount. So total 5 columns are required. Now one by one we can start to write the main headings in particulars. Main heading in particulars. First heading, that is materials consumed. Materials consumed. Now here keep 6 lines blank. For materials consumed, keep 6 lines blank. Then second heading, don't give the numbers, just I am talking that first and second, but don't give the numbers. Materials consumed, 6 lines blank. Then second, factory overheads. Factory overheads. For this, keep 9 to 10 lines blank. 9 to 10 lines blank. Then next, office overheads. Office overheads. For this, keep 6 lines blank, 6-7 lines blank. Keep 6 to 7 lines blank. Next is selling and distribution overheads. Selling and distribution overheads. Now here no need to keep the lines blank. Whatever may be the lines are required, accordingly we can write it. So main columns, again I repeat, materials consumed, then factory overheads, then office or administrative overheads, and then selling and distribution overheads. Selling and distribution overheads. Particular information. First is purchase of raw materials. Purchase of raw materials. Keep one line blank in materials consumed. After that, add purchases. Add purchases. 4,95,000 inner column. 4,95,000 inner column. The per unit cost is to be calculated. So everyone have the calculator with you. Calculator is required. Our total amount of purchases is 4,95,000 divided by 1,50,000. 4,95,000 divided by 1,50,000. What the answer comes? Anybody? Calculator, if you are having with you, then 4,95,000 divided by 1,50,000.
3.3.
3.3 means 3.30. 30 paise is there. So I'll write it to unit per unit cost inner column 3.30. Now each and every item is to be divided by 1,50,000 now. Keep in mind. So per unit cost will be calculated. Then direct wages are given. So direct wages, record it in the materials consumed. Last line, materials consumed last line. टोटलला जागा ठेवा, त्याच्यावरती थोडंसं घ्या. डायरेक्ट वेजेस, add direct wages. Amount of direct wages is 3,18,000. Inner column 3,18,000. Now 3,18,000 divided by 1,50,000. 3,18,000 divided by 1,50,000. Quick answer is required. Don't waste time.
2.12.
2.12. Inner amount per unit cost 2.12. Next item is office salaries, administrative or office overheads. Under the heading administrative or office overheads, office salaries, amount is 94,500. Inner column 94,500. Now per unit cost calculation, 94,500 divided by 1,50,000.
0.63.
0.62 or 3. वरती किती आलेत? 50च्या पुढे असतील तर वरचा आकडा घ्यायचा आहे. 0.63. Per unit cost, inner column 0.63. Next, carriage inwards. Carriage inwards comes under the materials consumed heading. So after purchases, write carriage inwards. Carriage inwards. Amount is 3000. Amount is inner column 3000. So again, per unit cost 3000 divided by 1,50,000 divided by 1,50,000, 0.02. Inner column 0.02. Calculation करून बघा. 3 lakhs divided by 1,50,000, 0.02. Next item, carriage outwards. The carriage outwards comes in the selling and distribution overheads. So write in the S&D carriage outwards. Carriage outwards. Amount is 2,80,120. Inner column 2,80,120. So again, per unit cost 2,80,120 divided by 1,50,000 divided by 1,50,000. So what is the amount?
1.87.
88. जरा कॅल्क्युलेशन पुढच्या आकड्यातलं बघा.
सर 86 आलेला ना म्हणून 87.
नाही 1.88. तर घ्या 87 घ्या, फक्त कॅल्क्युलेशनला थोडंसं बुक मध्ये दिलंय त्या पद्धतीनं फक्त तुमची सराव व्हावा म्हणून मी सांगतोय. 1.88च घ्या. थोड्याच फिगर आपल्या कमी असतात. पुस्तकातलं कॅल्क्युलेशन एक्झॅक्ट कॅल्क्युलेशन असतं. नेक्स्ट इज सेल्स. Now record the sales at the end. Record the sales at the end. Selling and distribution overheadच्या तिथं आहे. Carriage inwardच्या नंतर 5-6 ओळी जागा ठेवा. Keep the 5 or 6 lines blank after carriage inwards or outwards. And again write last line sales. Sales. Inner column. Sorry, outer column लगा. No inner column. Outer column. Amount चा outer column 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs. Now 16 lakhs divided by 1,50,000. 16 lakhs divided by 1,50,000. Point how much?
67.
10.67. जरा आपल्याला हे 7,000 जे फिनिश स्टॉक दिलेले आहेत ना, रिमेंड अनसोल्ड, ते विचारात घेऊन थोडंसं कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचं आहे. मी नंतर तुम्हाला हे सांगतो पुढं जेव्हा ह्याची टोटल येईल तेव्हा. तात्पुरतं तिथं पर युनिट कॉस्टला आउटरला 10.74. पण ॲडजस्टमेंटमध्ये 1,50,000 units were produced, out of which 7,000 units remained unsold. आता काय